This is an ugly stick, and it is one of the best fishing pullets in history. So the lure right here is a lure good for trout. We put a little worm on there, and you have to jig it up and down, like this. There we go. It is very good for the early on fishing season, when trout are biting best. We dropped it right here in this little spot. This spot is great for fishing. We caught a little on here a lot. We also caught a big fish here yesterday. This is a Ozark trailbait caster, and it is a swell caster. It's got a little plopper lure at the top, so let's see it cast. Works very good, and there is the plopper. See that little plop? The plopper really attracts big fish, like the one we caught yesterday. Nice bait caster, works really well, and a perfect lure.